I'm Kate, and this is Kiko. Hello, Kiko. Kiko's very excited today. Why are you excited, Kiko? That's right, it's Kiko's birthday today, isn't it? But Kiko, we also have to do something else. What are we doing today? That's right, we're also looking at sounds today. Kiko, do you have the sound for today? You do? Can you go and get it for us? Okay, off you go. I wonder what sound Kiko is going to bring for us today. He's coming back. What sound can you see? Do you know, Kiko? That's okay, I'm going to tell you. Today, our sound is A. Listen to me say it first. Good work, Kiko. A, A, A. Now it's your turn, and just keep going. After 3. 1, 2, 3. A, A, A. Well done. Yes, Kiko? That's right. Kiko has some words with the A sound in them. Let's take a look. A, birthday. A, day. A, play. A, crayon. You found some fantastic words today, Kiko. Well done. Today, our sound was A. If you'd like to learn about more sounds, just click on another one of our videos. Yes, Kiko? That's right. Or you can watch this video again to remind yourself of the sounds you just learned. Kiko, because it's your birthday, I have a surprise for you. Okay, close your eyes. Here comes the surprise. Kiko, you can look now. Kiko's cousin here is to celebrate his birthday. I think they're definitely very happy to see each other. I think it's time for us to enjoy our birthday party. Goodbye. See you next time.